guys, it's me Carmelina and welcome back to Coral's YouTube channel. So today we're doing my squishy collection. So let's get started. This bloom peach that I got from Amazon.
It's the fake one too.
Yeah. This panda ice cream that I got from Walmart. Soft and slow. This deer cake that I got from Amazon. This half cake that I got from Walmart. Yeah, half cake ice cream. Oh my god. This slipper that I got from Amazon that's really defected on the bottom.
It's either the Puni Mario or Rilakkuma one.
This Millie the Whale squishy
and
from
we are
Amazon.
gonna get Billy the Whale soon.
This unicorn squishy from Amazon. This panda bun from Amazon. This squishy mushy from Kohl's. This animal bun from Amazon. This like rabbit thing from Amazon. This unicorn from Amazon.
You're getting a lot of things from Amazon.
This dumpling from Amazon. This ice cream from Amazon. This ice cream from Amazon.
No, that's from
Walmart. From Walmart. This crush ball from Walmart.
No, I gave that to you.
Yeah, she
Ding
gave
dong. It's from Dollar General.
This is this donut from Dollar General. I actually got it right there.
Did you guys from Amazon?
I didn't.
It's from Walmart. Because it says Jaro, China.
And then this panda bun that I got from Amazon. This I don't know if this really
not really a squishy.
Yeah, but it's still like squishy. And this it's from Santa Claus. I got it on Christmas. So I still count it as a squishy because it's squishy. This macaroon from Amazon. This yellow carrot from Amazon. This thing is bigger than my face. This robot from
It's kind of dense
from Walmart
too.
From Walmart, and I got it on Christmas.
How do you know it's from Walmart then?
Because my dad told me. This cat head, and it's really defected. My friend ripped it off because it was like so wobbly. And it's from Amazon. This cake roll thing from Walmart. This ice cream from Walmart. This cinnamon roll from Coral. This little heart face thing from Amazon. This little macaroon.
Wait, I want to see what it...
This little macaroon from...
Wait, hold on.
This little macaroon from Coral.
Let me see, because it's tiny. Focus. There.
This iBloom Galaxy Peach from Amazon.
Then it's not real. Now you got this from iBloom.
Oh yeah. This Rilakkuma toast with chocolate. And I got this one from
Rilakkuma. Because it's not real. It's from Walmart.
Yeah, and it's from Walmart.
Yeah, but it's not
is
real.
Rilakkuma.
Yeah, no,
This
it's not real.
little
Ding dongs.
this smiley face from Walmart.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Cute. Sorry about my nails. I did JoJo Siwa nails last night and then I took them off. Carmelina's like, what?
And this cracker from Amazon. It's not really slow. This Deco.
Oh my gosh. Guys, okay, so I gave that to her. And it was white. It was like this.
But I decorated it.
It was like this panda bun, but look at it now. Guys, you can like, it's like cracked and like the back is orange and I don't know what she was doing.
So I decorated it and I made it into this like a blue bowl and slime because some people make slime with it.
I don't get her.
And it's really slow. And
Okay, next squishy.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and actually if you did paint, that's good that you painted it because then it's more slow rising.
This Rilakkuma like little.
Oh yeah, that's
bagel.
real and it's from Rilakkuma. Focus. Here.
There you go.
Okay.
This paw that I'm keeping forever because it reminds me of my school.
Don't say that.
This thing that says "Eat Me" and it's really.
You can't really
weird.
see it, so let me see. It says "Eat Me." You can't really see, but it does say "Eat Me." Yeah. And it's like a cracker thing. So.
Okay. This little croissant, and it's from Amazon.
And I'm filming with my Canyon camera, so go that.
This thing that goes with this, this is a hot cocoa squish delish that I got from my birthday party, and it's missing an eye, and it's so defective.
And it's from Lydia.
Yeah, it's from my friend Lydia. And then like that.
See, guys, it's missing an eye. Isn't that pleasant?
Where did I put the little part? Oh, it's right here. Okay. This little, like, koala beard dancing thing. I don't know. From Amazon.
Free puzzle. What is right there?
This used to be a cinnamon roll, but it came off, and it's still squishy, so. Sorry about my nails.
This video been 7 minutes already. I'm so sorry.
So, I've watched a squishy collection that was 39 minutes.
I watched one that was like an hour.
Okay, come on. This little cookie thing that's really defective. Like, look at that. This little, oh, and that's from Amazon. This little, like,
Bunny.
bunny thing that I
Purple
got
bunny.
from Coral.
And it did have a shell, but I think that it's like in her closet somewhere, honestly. Okay.
Yeah. This cat face that I love because it's like socializing, and I love cats. Okay. Yeah. So cats are the best.
I'm taking so many pictures of you right now.
And this,
Smile, smile,
This,
smile.
like,
Look at me and smile.
heart thing.
No, wait. Put the squishy down. Smile. Oh, look.
And this like regular bun.
Okay.
This little ice cream. Hey, don't touch that. This ice
Guys,
cream.
look how many squishies she has. I'm just gonna lay my feet on it.
This loaf of Italian bread. Well, this Italian bread, I guess. I don't know. Get in that pot. This strawberry.
No angels.
This squishy mushy strawberry. Hey, stop. And it's so defect. Defect.
Okay, next squishy.
I hope you did get that on camera.
I did.
No, did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Okay, but here's this waffle.
I'll cut it out. I got that zoomed in on camera. I'll cut that out too.
This ice cream. This, like, really defected plush bun thing.
Blush bun. It's called
So defected.
blush bun, not a plush bun.
So defected. Okay. Last but not least, my softest squishy, my whole collection, the baseball.
And it reminds us of what's our favorite team?
What?
Boston Red Sox.
And our favorite team is Boston Red Sox, so that's why she got that.
And I'm gonna put a big
Where's the
X
ball?
for squishies. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.